I've been working on something. Well, actually, before I get into that, I'm not sure I've told you this, but I've actually found somebody who has volunteered to sit in my chair. So stay tuned. I know it's been a long time. Stay tuned. That's going to happen. But back to the situation at hand. I'm in the middle of formulating a new beard oil, and let me tell you, it's quite the task. Now, specifically what I'm talking about in regard to being quite the task, I'm talking about the scent. Now, I have the oils in regard to jojoba, argan, grapeseed, almond oil. I have that all figured out, but it's finding the right combination for the essential oils is what I'm having a really difficult time with, because there's a certain scent that I'm going for. It's like I want it to be a warm, have a tad bit of a woodsy flavor to it, a little bit of vanilla, but not too much. So warm, tad bit of woodsy, a little bit of vanilla, and some amber in there, but I haven't come across the right combination. So I've definitely gone through a lot of essential oils, and it definitely adds up. But on a positive note, I've come up with something. And now, mind you, this isn't the specific scent that I'm going for, but it does smell really good. And what I've come up with is orange wood. And what it is, pretty much exactly what the name of it suggests. It's a woodsy, a woodsy as in cedar with a touch of citrus to it. It's a very fresh outdoor scent. So with that said, what I've decided to do is I've made 6 of these, one of which I'm going to keep for myself. But if you want to help support the cause of finding that perfect scent, I'm going to be selling them for $15 a piece. So if you're interested, if you do think, or if you do like a woodsy scent with a tad bit of citrus to it, feel free to send me an email. My email's dan@zigfitness.com, and we'll go from there. And one other thing that I did that I thought was pretty cool is on the bottom of each bottle, I have them numbered. I don't even know if you can see there or not. Here, let me see. Is that coming in? Probably not, because I'm on my Panasonic. But what I've done is I've numbered each one of these bottles individually, going up to 6. Yes, I'm going to be selfish and I'm going to keep the number 1 bottle because I do like it, and it's actually the first oil that I formulated myself, so it does hold a special place in my heart. Is that cheesy? I'm being honest. So yes, again, if you're interested in acquiring a bottle of this orange wood by Dan's Beard, feel free to shoot me an email. Again, it's going to be $15, and that includes the shipping within the US. If you're outside of the US, we can talk about shipping, but it will be a bit more. Now, the reason behind this formulating the perfect scent is because the Beard Circle and I were actually going to be releasing a Dan's Beard scent. So I can't mess around with this, and there's a lot of competition because they already have a scent, Viking Storm, that I really like. And matter of fact, I've mentioned this before, but my girlfriend, she actually requests that I wear this, and I haven't received that request for any other scent, whether it be a beard oil, a cologne, deodorant, whatever it might be. So the stakes are high, and there's a lot of competition, and I don't want to lose this. But like I was saying before, I really do like this scent that I have formulated right now. No, it's not the one, but I do like this, and that's why, well, one, that's why I'm keeping it, is because I really do like the scent, and also it's the first scent that I've purely formulated on my own, so it holds a special place with me. There is a haircut coming soon, like I mentioned in the beginning, and so once that is scheduled and in the books, I'll let you know about that. And then also, again, if you want to help a brother out and help support the cause for formulating the perfect scent, and you want to buy this orange wood by Dan's Beard, again, feel free to shoot me an email. My email is dan@zigfitness.com. And with that, As always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe if you aren't already. Until next time, peace! We out.